Thank you very much for being with us. Today, we will see a basic multipurpose room. Normally, you have a multipurpose room where you meet and you use it for many things. That's the reason that it is multipurpose. You use it for training, for brainstorming, to test, to learn, to have group meetings. I mean, you use it for speeches. You use it for many ways. You change the furniture. It is a changing environment depending on the circumstances that you need to use it. So you need to have the needed equipment, the needed audio and video equipment, so your people is able to be 100% productive without having problems with the technology, without having problems with the audio and video technology. So how can we accomplish it? It is really easy to do it. Let's remember that we do all our architecture, our audio and video architecture based in three things. One is that we resolve all the audio and video problems that you have on a multipurpose meeting room. Two is that we don't use cables as much as we can, of course. And third is that you are able to use the same system for whatever connection you need to use it. So let's see how we do this. We have any device, smartphone, tablet, laptop, computer, any device via Wi-Fi. We connect it to the WePresent, so we can present any content to the wirelessly, to the WePresent, to the HDMI cable that goes to our projector. We are using a neck projector, then to our light, and then to the screen, and then to the controller for the projector to turn it on and turn it off. Let's remember that one of the biggest problems that we have on a multipurpose room is that we lose the remote control. Always, you never find the remote control to turn it on and turn it off, the light of the projector. So we have it here, one on the wall, so we are able to control it. So this way, we avoid having any cable at all to use video and to present independently of on what device we have our content. The second thing is the audio and video conference part. Let's see first the local audio. The local audio, we will have two hands wireless microphones, and then we will have another for presenters. So we have three wireless mics that will go to the receiver, to the mixer, to the feedback, DVX AVS2 suppression, to our amplifier, and to the speakers. So whenever you are talking, we will hear through the speakers. Then when we are making presentations from a PC, we will hear the audio from the video as well. The audio, the WePresent has a 3.5 millimeters output. It will come to the income of our mixer from Phoenix, and then it will come out to the speakers. So we will hear the local video in through our speakers. So we have resolved here the local audio. What happened when we want to have an audio conference? Really easy. We use the same system. We connect our mixer, the Phoenix Audio Technologies Octopus, to an analog extension, and we dial out or we dial in through it, and we use it the same way. The wireless mics transmit the audio to the other end, and the audio from the other end, it will come to the mixer, to the DVX, to the crown, and we will hear the far end through our speakers, through the electro voice speakers. So we are using for local audio, for remote audio through our analog station, for audio conference, and we will as well for video conference. What we will use it for video conference? Let's say we have an application, an audio and video application based on the cloud, like WebEx, GoToMeeting, whatever you want. So we will connect the USB camera to our desktop computer, and the far end will see us through the Clear One Unit 100 PTC. This is the only cable that we are really going to have here, because we will need to connect from the PC to the camera through a USB cable. So the far end will see us through the camera, and we will see the far end on the monitor. And as we are seeing on the monitor the far end, and we are connected wirelessly to the WePresent, we will see the far end and its content on the downlight screen. So we are mirroring the monitor on our downlight, so we will see clearly the far end on our downlight 89730L. And the audio, we use the same thing. The wireless microphones will pick up the voice and will transmit it to the far end via the computer, Wi-Fi. We present to the cloud application and then to the far end. And the far end, the audio will come to the WePresent, then to the computer, then to the mixer, to the DVX, to the crown, and to the speakers. So this way we will have an audio conversation on both directions, going out and coming in, and we will use it. So this way we are able to resolve all the issues that you have on a multi-purpose room. Here we have the electrical connections. Make sure that you always use a Furman APL plus DMC. Be sure to connect all your equipment to it. You will avoid a lot of problems. Then we will have our podium. We are using a cheap podium where we will put all our equipment so it looks nice. And here we have the investment. Let's remember that the major investment that you are making is the people that is participating on our multi-purpose room. That's the major investment that you are making on your people. So here we have the brand, the model, the part number, the description, the investment, the quantity, and the total. So you have here all the equipment that you need to make a total investment, including installation and maintenance, of $23,332.13 US. So this is the investment. We are able to help you designing, implementing, and operating your multi-purpose room. Just give us a call and we will use all our experience, knowledge, and wisdom to have the best multi-purpose room that you have ever had. Thank you very much for calling us. Have a great day.